this is Alana, and this is the part 2 of the creating a minimalist capsule wardrobe for children. So earlier in the part 1 video, I went through and I culled a bunch of clothes. There's quite a few for the giveaways, and this is what I came up with. The giveaway pile, not the hoarder pile. And I'm still thinking this shirt, I'll keep it for her painting shirt because Kitten and Rabbit are her imaginary friends, and well, we haven't heard as much from them lately, but not sure if that's a good thing, but anyways, it's sentimental. This is sort of what I came up with. I hope that you can see it okay in the video. So there's a space here for her jammies that are in the wash. Jammies tend to get dirty way faster than everything else, partly because I think they wear them around the house and spill food in them. Yeah, so there's 3 sweaters, 3 shirts to go over top, like dress blouses, I guess. In here it's kind of stuffed in, and there's 3 t-shirts. So this row all goes together because you can layer with either sweater or blouse over t-shirt. And I ended up deciding on 7 long sleeve shirts, you know. I think I had said 5, but then I thought about it and I thought, she's gonna get stains, and I mean, we already have some in the giveaway pile that have pilled quite a lot and don't look as nice. So anyways, I think that 7 is a good number for now. Yeah, so, and as far as the color scheme goes, I'm sticking to blues and purples for the most part. That's ideal, and as well as purples. And I see I have the occasional red thrown in there as well. And part of that is if you get a really, really good deal on really nice shirts from Oshkosh or wherever, Children's Place, then I'm not going to be so like as picky. But I kind of, for the most part, I refuse to buy white because the kiddos, like, it's not a very good minimalist color for children because they spill everything, and I don't tend to use bleach at this point in time. Yeah, so anyways, that's what we came up with, and I'm really happy with the results. I mean, it fits back in the drawer and she can see now, so hopefully she can have some options.